Hello, and welcome to my channel. It is a video version of a walk through one of Dubai's most popular areas, Dubai Marina. If you watch this video, you can easily repeat this track and get the most incredible experience. Subscribe to the channel so as not to miss other exciting routes. While you are watching, I'm going to tell you more about Dubai Marina District and show the stunning view that you can see walking around this area. One of Dubai's most popular districts stretches from the Al Sufu Road and includes the Jumeirah Beach Residence, JBR. The views of tourists immediately attract numerous skyscrapers whose silhouettes are reflected in the water surface. Its name is due to the built-up artificial harbor where moored luxury yachts. Here are some tips for getting to know Dubai Marina. A water stroll is the best way to explore Dubai Marina. Enjoy an exciting cruise around the area. The beach promenade, located opposite the walk promenade in the JBR area, is one of the city's most notable holiday destinations. There are over 70 shops and restaurants. Take a look at souvenir shop and then go sunbathing on the beach or play beach volleyball. There are many restaurants and cafes on the Dubai Marina Walk, one of the most popular Batil cafe establishments, specializing in delicacies of dates and dishes of European cuisine. Admiring the waterfront from the last floor of a high-rise building yesterday. In 2017, it opened the world's longest city skyline, X-Line Dubai Marina. The flight begins at the top of the Amwaj Towers at 170 meters and ends on the other bank of the Canal on the roof of the Marina Mall. The speed is up to 80 kilometers per hour, so the thrill is guaranteed. Now you see this beautiful view and can easily repeat this way. Go and try. And of course, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and share your experience in the comments. You help us get better.